Today, we use conventional fire extinguishers available for different classes of fires. We use different kinds of extinguishers for different kinds of fires. They come in various capacities. They do not assure us any fire ratings. But how effective are they? Let's analyze. The causes of fire may be short circuit or human error. When a fire occurs, the most crucial role in firefighting is that of the first respondent, who is almost never a professional firefighter and in all probability is fighting the first fire of his life. The user, who is in a state of shock, gets further confused with the options available to him. He waits till the electricity is switched off and sees the damage grow from a controllable small fire to a very big disaster as precious time is lost. When the user does find the courage to use them, some extinguishers, being maintenance intensive, may refuse to work at all. Most fire extinguishers, once started, cannot be regulated or stopped until they are fully exhausted. When the dry powder-based fire extinguishers are used, they cause a lot of smoke, which blinds the already confused user. Most extinguishers have a limited lancing distance of just about 5 meters, which means the user is not able to go near a big fire because of the radiant heat. As a result, most fires have to be extinguished by a fire tender, which takes a long time to reach the spot because of the traffic conditions and are not able to enter narrow lanes. The fire tenders do douse the fire, but they also cause a lot of collateral damage due to excessive flooding of water or foam at the site of fire. The fire tenders require a crew, and again a refilling cost of the fire tender has to be borne by the property owner or the government. Can this situation be checked? Aska Group is proud to present an amazingly light and effective firefighting system. The Aska Water Mist cum compressed air-based range of fire extinguishers. The Aska Water Mist and CAF, a result of years of research by HNE Germany costing millions of euros. This technology has proved to be more effective than any other fire extinguishing method discovered till date. Available in 10 and 50 litre variants. This system essentially consists of a vessel containing water and an AFFF additive, an air cylinder, and a specially designed gun. The system, on getting triggered, produces a fine mist of water droplets suitable for Class A, Class B and live electric line of fires as per EN3 standards. The key to the effectiveness of this technology lies in controlling the droplet size to precisely 250 to 300 microns. HNE Germany has found by their own research that droplets smaller than this size get evaporated and are not able to cause any damage to the fire. The ones that are bigger in size tend to pass right through it, causing up to 90% wastage of water. The droplets between 250 and 300 microns are of correct size, having a highly expanded surface area. A steady supply of droplets of this size penetrates the fire and is evaporated inside the flame, causing rapid cooling, which lowers the fire's temperature and blocks radiant heat. The foam forms a blanket over the fire, which cuts off the fire's oxygen supply. This further helps in the extinguishing process. Any fire requires 3 ingredients to sustain, namely fuel, oxygen and heat. This is popularly called the fire triangle. Removing any one of these ingredients is enough to put out the fire. The reason behind the amazing effectiveness of the Aska Water Mist and CAF is that it acts on all the 3 ingredients of the fire simultaneously. Come, let us see some demos of the Aska Water Mist and CAF system. Demo on a Class A fire, that is solid fire. demo on Class B fire, that is liquid fire. Demo on Class E fire or live electric fire. The Asker Water Mist and CAF is safe and effective on live electric fires. In fact, it has been tested on classes A55 and B233 by CBRI Fire Lab, Roorkee, and at 36 kV by ERTA Vadodara. As seen above, same Asker Water Mist and CAF can be used effectively on fires of solids, liquids, and electricity. Having one fire extinguisher for all types of fires saves precious time and avoids confusion during the emergencies. It also results in a better deployment of resources, improved inventory management, and even controls the training costs. The system has many more unique benefits too. The incredibly effective Asker Water Mist and CAF system is also highly water efficient. A minimum of 9 litres of water used with just 500 ml of foam in this system is as effective as 2000 litres of water used by a fire tender. Also, due to less water usage, the collateral damage due to water is restricted. With this technology, the manpower requirements for taming a fire also gets reduced drastically, resulting in a better deployment of man and material resources, which further help to bring wider area under service. The Asker Water Mist and CAF can be charged right at the location in under 1 minute. In emergency conditions, even contaminated water containing suspended particles up to 3 mm can be used. This system comes with a self-locking recoilless gun, which is very easy to operate and is virtually maintenance-free. Often the conventional firefighting systems require regular maintenance and do not work in emergencies due to the want of service. The Asker Water Mist and CAF system is intrinsically maintenance-free and is always ready to be used. That's not all. The system is eco-friendly too. It helps fulfilling India's commitment to Montreal Protocol. The protocol makes it mandatory for the signatories to phase out all halon-based equipment by 2010. But there is yet another reason why this technology has brought a paradigm shift to firefighting sector. The bike-based fire tenders have been made possible only due to the effectiveness and reliability of the lightweight water mist-based extinguishers. Designed to act as an effective first respondent, the Asker Group's bike-based fire tender is a self-contained firefighting machine containing 2 10 litres Asker Water Mist and CAF systems and even a first aid kit. No wonder today, this is the requirement of a country with congested roads, lanes and factories. The system has also proved to be a boom for the numerous small villages which can now be brought under active firefighting support of the fire services. This system have been recently used by Delhi Fire Services on 117 live fire calls, as stated by Director Delhi Fire Services to the Times of India. This concept has been accepted by Defence, Fire and Emergency Services from Jammu and Kashmir to Kerala and many more. The Asker Water Mist and CAF can be an asset to any organisation dealing in petroleum sector, mines, power plants, electric substations, airports and even office complexes. The war against fire has been continuing for ages and will possibly go on forever. The Asker Water Mist and CAF is a small but significant step towards making fire-free cities a reality. For Asker, it is another milestone achieved and a stepping stone climbed.